Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can blur a face on CapCut. Now it's pretty simple. What you need to do is to have a video, of course, and then what you need to do is click on the video, and then click on effects, click on video effects, and then search up blur. So I search up blur here, and now you just need to download any of these blur effects that they have here. I'm going to be choosing the first one, the basic blur, and as you can see, my face will look like that. Now what you need to do is to delete this. So what you need to do is when you have this one, we just add an overlay like this, and then we just import the same video and have it below it. And then since we need to make sure that it's the same one, we also need to add the effects to this bottom video. We're going here, then searching up, we search up blur over here, and then we just add the same effect. We can actually remove the blur for the first video. Okay, now what I need to do is to head over to the right till you find the mask option here, and click on circle, and then you just need to move that to the part of the face, or like the part that you want to cover. So it's gonna be like that. And now if let's say this face is moving around, what you need to do is to go back to let's just say you just have to add a keyframe, and then add to the part where it moved, and then you just go back to the mask, which is this one, and just move it a bit. So what will happen is that from there it will start moving to the part where, let's say, the face moved. So it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.